It's me, Alegra. Babes, I'm so happy today I was able to put together this eyeshadow tutorial using the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette. I truly love this palette so much. These shadows blend so gorgeously together that in real life, as opposed to just in pictures or just on camera, you feel really comfortable, you feel really good. They're so well blended. So I feel like these shadows are rich and the blendability is amazing, so that's what I really love. And it's also a very velvety kind of texture, and it's so easy to travel with, and I just love these colors for the spring, the summer months. I mean, I think you could just pop this in your bag and you are gonna look gorgeous day to night, especially, you know, with vacations, spring break, you know, the summer, you're on the run. This is gonna be amazing. You could actually even just fit this in your purse. So babes, also, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. It really helps me out. So guys, please subscribe. Also, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and definitely leave me a comment and let me know any future looks that you would like to see. Your thoughts on this palette, I would love to hear. So if you'd like to see how I put together this look today, then just keep watching. I'm starting with the first lightest shade in the palette, Inhale, with a Morphe 508 brush. And I've already primed my eyes, and I'm just smudging Inhale right under my brows. And now I'm taking my fluffy brush and I'm going in with Vibrate. And I'm just going to use this all over the crease area. So then I'm taking Hot Spell on another fluffy brush, and I'm just going to deepen up the crease a little bit more with this shade, this really beautiful matte shade, and just working it into my, a little bit lower than my upper crease now. So now I'm taking Strike and Heist, and I'm going to mix these two colors together. And we're just going to deepen up the crease even more. And then I'm going in with Hot Spell, again with our fluffy brush. And I'm just going to use that shade just to blend out the edges. So if you have some fallout, you just take some translucent powder and just put it right over the fallout and then just brush it away. And then it's completely gone, so your makeup won't be ruined. So now I'm taking a little bit of concealer. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my tear duct area of my eye and inwards, brushing it inwards. And then I'm going to go over that with Inhale with just a very small shader type brush. And then I'm going to take Wild Thing and just re-intensify our crease area so we don't lose the shape of the crease. And then blending that out, I placed it on with a pencil brush and then blending it out. And then again taking our smudger brush and Hot Spell and just kind of zigzagging that on the center of our eye so we can get a nice transition and a nice ombre effect. So then I'm going back in with Inhale on our smudger brush, the 508 from Morphe, and I'm just going back over the brow bone area and the tear duct area of my eye so we can make that really stand out. And then taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending out just the edges very lightly. So then I'm taking Strike, and again with our smudger brush, just lining my lower lash line, my lower lash line area, and then I'm also going to use that shade to line my upper lashes instead of traditional pencil eyeliner. I've been using eyeshadow lately and I just love it for a softer effect. So you just use it like as you would traditional eyeliner, but you just take your tiny smudger brush and just smudge that dark shade on your along your lashes. So then I'm going to go in with Hot Spell again on a shader brush and just blend out that dark shade Strike on your lower lash line. I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just tightening up everything, doing my touch up. I applied my House of Lashes Iconic Lashes, and that's just the lash glue before it dries. And I'm applying my bronzer. This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And I'm just using that same bronzer just to contour my nose. And then I like to take the bronzer up into sort of that area right in there and blend everything together. So now I'm taking my Michael Todd Beauty. This is the Sonic Blend makeup brush. I love this brush. I actually use it to put my foundation on and concealer, and now I'm going to use it to put on my blush. So now I'm taking my Back Talk palette highlighter. This is Party Foul. I'm just going over my lipstick now with a nude shade. And I'm spraying my face with Urban Decay De-Slick. And then while it's wet, I'm just going to apply a little bit more Party Foul. I just make sure highlighter pops. And I'm putting on my lips now. This is Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in Cupcake. I love this color for the summer. It's really beautiful lip gloss. So babes, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial today using the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat Palette. Like I said, I love these shadows so much. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you so much. Bye. Love you.